Hollywood director Rob Reiner declared Donald Trump has created the most corrupt presidency in American history, during a Saturday morning appearance on MSNBC Joy. Your new film Shock and Awe is specifically about the press and run-up to the Iraq War. I remember there was a lot of talk about George W. Bush styling himself a king and whether or not the press was tough enough on the Bush administration in the lead-up and asked enough questions, was skeptical enough, thus Joy Reid noted. Having made this film and release it and thought through the issue of the way that the press is relating to somebody who styled himself perhaps an autocrat, have we learned anything? I don't know, Reiner answered. It wasn't that the press wasn't tough enough in the run-up to the war, they were non-exist, the press owes it to the American public to try to get to the truth, he continued. It was difficult then, it is even more difficult now, when you have the President of the United States saying that the press is the enemy of the people and calling it fake news, and for the first time in American history we have essentially state-run media backing up the president, Fox and Sinclair and Alex Jones and all these crazy ideas, Reiner continued. I mean, our democracy is hanging in the balance. 241 years of self-rule is hanging in the balance, Reiner also said 2018 really is the most important election ever. If we don't have a democratic Congress that can at least start the hearing to shine some light on what's going on, this is the most corrupt presidency in American history, Reiner concluded. I don't care tipot domaine Watergate and Iran-Contra, the Archild play compared to selling our country out to a foreign enemy power, it doesn't get any worse than that, it is pretty